Do you know how to get down?
Yes, I do.
Okay, don't get hurt.
I'll be fine.
Ow, ow, ow. I didn't grab the doorknob. I grabbed the thing. Hey, my Twitch on my phone has been broken since I changed phones. It doesn't change viewers, so I never know how many people are actually here.
So this is on wrong.
No!
Yes. It is on wrong.
What do you mean it's on wrong?
So I noticed right here, there's supposed to be a gap
Oh my god.
between here and here,
Yeah,
and
you're
it's
right.
flush right there. So
Do we have to...
let's go back to where we did it wrong.
Is that step 2?
Oh wait, we didn't do it wrong. It was already like that. It came like that.
Okay.
What did I do? What did we do wrong? It is flushing out. Oh, is it just upside down?
What is that head of hair? It is Keith.
Yo,
Blue.
it's blue and purple.
Do she do?
Why?
It is true. I did make fun of Tawny a lot for that. Because I asked him, like, if during karaoke at Disney, he just, like, is one word behind everybody because he doesn't know any of the words.
Mm-hmm.
Even the songs where there are no words. And it was true.
Maybe this should just be upside down. No, because the bar.
Have we tried turning it upside down?
The wood comes up here.
Is it just
I'm
the other way?
No, because I think, well, yeah, we can flip it around. That might be an issue.
I'm curious.
Because I couldn't tell which way to go either, but I feel it's going to be the same.
No, that looks right now.
Because this thing's supposed to go further out.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Man, it feels like this is...
Because it was the same one.
This thing came assembled.
Yeah.
This is already on hinges.
Yeah.
Okay, this seems like...
But that makes sense because it's an expandable table. Usually you only have half out, right?
Yeah, but this is the brace, and the brace needs to come all the way out.
Hi, how are you?
So it needs to come out at least until like here.
Oh, I see what you mean. It has to actually reach the...
But it's not going beyond
Hey, Roma.
that, and you can't. I mean, there's...
It did it. Totally cheated. Never been to Russia.
Okay.
Right? Does that count? If we just do that? Why is table building so difficult? I smell pizza outside.
So yeah, so you can see on the diagram, it's coming out to at least there. This is, it seems right. According to this, because this is the leg.
I think.
It almost seems like this is assembled wrong.
No! Oh, that's fair.
No. Oh, maybe it is right. Maybe we'll have to find a YouTube video to...
I'm confused.
Either the drawings are like off and it's throwing me...
I think the drawings might be off.
That'd be weird for an IKEA.
Really?
To be off.
Wait, hang on, can you flip? So when
this is
you...
right, because these feet, these are the bottom, which would go right here. So
Right.
this is definitely the bottom.
Right. That's fine. I don't think we're in a bad place right now then.
Okay, well...
I could be wrong.
Did you happen to see? Did you see this in the showroom?
No. It was only on the shelf in boxes. I've seen pictures of the table, but not at the actual store.
Everything shows. Yeah, we can keep on going as is, and the worst that we have to do is unscrew things.
I just realized when they're done building over there, am I going to not be able to see anymore?
If it's the same size as the other building next to it, yep.
That sucks. I think we're okay. I think. What? What if we keep going and
Well,
see if it's a problem later?
Here's another thing that's kind of tipping me. Something is not right because here's the bottom, and here's the foot, and the foot is on the opposite side. So like this foot should be here instead of here.
No.
Well, I'm trying to think, how did that happen?
So wait, did we just turn it the wrong way the second time?
No, it's we can flip it around another time, but it's the same.
Sorry, hang on. I'm going to switch with you for like a second. Oh, I see what you mean.
So either the diagram is wrong, we assembled something wrong, but I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, sorry. But, either way, they're correctly lined up in terms of diagonals.
Yeah.
So I'm okay with thinking we're okay.
Mm-hmm.
You know? I see what you mean, though.
Yeah. But I can't see how this could be assembled any other way.
Yeah, same.
There's no other way you could assemble this because this is definitely the insides. These are definitely the drawer parts.
Yeah, no, that's right. I think we should go
IKEA is wrong. I never built something from IKEA that was wrong.
Well, Keith, in your billion years of life, you're having
Ouch.
an epiphany. I'm kidding.
It keeps on going up. I can't wait till it's in the trillions.
1 zillion years.
1 zillion years.
Because that's a number. Where did you put the things that go here?
I already put them in there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
So we're on this step where we're trying to attach it to the table part, which I wanted to confirm.
Right. I see. I think we're okay.
Yeah, it just seems.
I understand.
Yeah. Maybe a YouTube video. We'll have to watch a YouTube video or something like that.
I seriously think we're okay. Because there's no other way.
Yeah, there's no other way. Because this is definitely.
I'm just going to give you the thing.
God.
I'm pushing us.
Twani just said that he might be disqualified because he's running late.
No! I'm so sorry!
No, it's his fault. We reminded him several times.
I'm so sorry. I still feel guilty.
No, it's
I
his.
gave him so much flack for being not around.
No,
sorry.
I-
I'm sorry.
It's not your fault.
At least he has a fun place to go to if he wants to. I wonder if he'll go anyway just to watch. Oh yeah, I'm pushing us along. Okay.
What?
Take this.
Okay.
Booker, catch.
This is gonna. I'm gonna have to slide this.
Do you think anyone has ever misspoken and called Booker Booger while they were
Booker?
recording the lines? Yeah. From Bioshock?
Probably, unless they're professionals.
They are. It's Bioshock Infinite.
Oh, I didn't play that.
Neither have I.
Oh.
But I read all about it. You want to hear the story to Bioshock Infinite?
Sure. Spoil it for everyone.
Like great storytelling again?
Yeah.
Okay, so once there was this guy who was like...
Shift it that way.
Sorry.
Yeah. That's too far.
Oh, oops.
Too far. Or keep on.
He was like, I have to gamble. And
Right.
meh.
There.
And then someone was like, come to the lighthouse, you're gambling. And then he's like, okay. And then he goes to the lighthouse. And then I don't remember what happens. And then all of a sudden... Oh, I remember when someone I knew was playing that game. And then I got really, really scared. Because in the beginning, you find all of like these... what do you call... recording thingies, and they're all talking about, oh, which way is it facing? This way. And they're talking about the place, Columbia, Sky City, like Kirby, but not. And then, yeah, then there was this prisoner, like this person, I think they were Chinese, and they were like being hung up and tortured, and then they were begging because they had a family, and then the crows flew by, and then he didn't have skin anymore. That traumatized me. I did not like it. Anyway, after the scary crow thing, eventually you end up in Colombia, and it's like a really weird version of America. And then people are like throwing tomatoes at people and stuff. And it's talking about inequality very, very heavily. And then there's this lady named Elizabeth, and she's like, I have a thimble on my thumb. And then you're like, okay. And then there's a bird named Songbird that's like, Elizabeth, caw-caw, I take care of you, caw-caw, but I can also kill you, caw-caw. And then Elizabeth was like, oh, whoops, I have to listen to Songbird, right? And then Booker is like, I have to pay off my debts because I gambled. And then Elizabeth finds you, and she's like, Booker, catch! And then you, like, shoot things, and the game is too easy, apparently. And then, yeah, you, like, go through Colombia. And then, yeah. And then Songbird goes, caw-caw, I kill you. And then you end up underwater or something. And then in the end, it doesn't matter because there's this weird priest guy. And then he tries to drown you. And then you like, no, I'm going to drown me because you are the priest guy. Because it's all about infinite time loops. And it turns out Elizabeth is your daughter. Yeah. And it's crazy. And then she's like, I have a thimble on my hand because I can time travel. And she can go through the different dimensions, that it like creates a portal. And one time her pinky, I